Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Tracy and I'm really excited to share with you how I have cleaned, restocked, and organized my very neglected fridge using some budget-friendly organizers as well. And of course, a little bit of elbow grease goes a long way, and it really is amazing to see how we allow spaces that we use every day to become disorganized. I really think it's just because we see it every day and it therefore becomes more acceptable to us. I really want to interrupt that so that I can just add some joy back into my life, some mood boosting energy, just to see a well organized space. I hope you guys get the same enjoyment out of this video as well, and of course please keep watching. So now I'm showing you an overview of the containers that I have picked up for the purposes of this video. You'll see that I'm linking as many of these items as I can in the description box below. I have some Amazon links there for you to take a look at. Again, I did try to keep in mind budget because I am also budgeting. So, and another note that I wanted to add is that I did not go out and purchase all of the containers you see here in one shopping trip, because again, I am very budget conscious. And but yeah, I went out and I purchased them over time. I picked up pieces here and there, and I really encourage you to do the same and really plan something like this out, because this can get expensive no matter how cheap these containers are. I purchased a lot of these items. In fact, I probably purchased all of them from stores like TJ Maxx, which is why I'm not able to link the specific items for you now. Another thing I did want to mention is that just be conservative with purchasing the containers, just because I didn't use all of the containers you see listed here. So if you're also budget friendly like me, you just want to not overdo it. This basket that I'm holding here, this is a food saver or produce saver basket. Right now I just separated the inner basket so I can just use it to rinse. When I'm done rinsing, I'm going to let it drain a bit, and then I'm going to just drop these grapes into the larger container and just store it in the fridge. Now, it promises to actually extend the life of your produce. I can say it is definitely worth the investment. It does help if you find that you and your family are just not able to eat your produce before it spoils. You definitely want to invest in a product like this, because it can save you a lot of money.
Show ya, wish you me to call you when you turn me on. The way you telling me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, if she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like Conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist. Cause I need ya, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, no get to your clean and proper. Way I move, ain't no weekend lover. You gon' have me on your mind forever, ever. Thanks, baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show ya, show me the car when you turn me on. The way you telling me you want me down. Pick it up, why you tryna find the pieces when you rip it off? Why I like it when you sit it when you take it off? And you know that I'm bad. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I
So I really just wanted to take some time here to really thank you if you are still watching this video up to this point. My channel is slowly and finally starting to show some traction, or have some traction and some growth. So that is really exciting to me to know that all of the work, all of the investment that I have put into this is finally starting to have some payoff. I'm starting to finally get some repeat viewers. My subscriptions are starting to go up. My watch time is increasing. My engagement, however, is where I'm kind of suffering in that department. That actually brings me to my next point, and I really wanted to ask a question of you guys. So again, if you are still watching this video up to this point, let's have a discussion. How often are you taking the time to clean out your fridge? Is this something you're not really concerned with? Is this once every 6 months, once every year, once every few years? This is a no judgment zone. I am the last person on earth that can or would judge you for any of your responses, but I would really like to kick up my engagement a notch. So if you guys are watching this video still, please leave me a comment below. You can say anything you want actually, but this is what I'm mostly just kind of curious about. Also, excuse the janky labels. Right now, this is all I have to work with. I am looking for a nice cheap, or let me not say cheap, affordable label maker to purchase. So I'll be on the lookout for that. But right now, this is what we have to work with, okay? So that is it for this video, and I want to thank you so much if you have made it to the end. You really helped me increase my watch time, and that is always a win-win. So I cannot wait to make my next video for you, but in the meantime, I just want to say
thanks for watching. Bye.
And you heard it from Aiden. Bye.